Hello and welcome to another episode with the Autistic Angler. Today I'm going out with Bill on his boat. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. So we're by the fort and we're drifting. And I've got a running ledger boat rig with a size 4 Chinook with a rag. So we'll see what happens. Don't know if you'll see it, there's a jellyfish just there. He's right on the top, just out there. Right, we're anchored up by the fort, and that rod has got that same rig out, which is the I can't remember what it's called now. Oh yeah, the running ledger, the boat one. But on this one, I'm putting out a 3-hook flapper that was donated to me by one of my subscribers. So thanks for that, Wayne. And these ragworm were dug this morning by George. If you're in Portsmouth, he's on Facebook Marketplace. And as per my video the other day, I'm sort of head hooking them. But I'm putting a longer bit through. We've seen some fish on the fish finder, so we've just got to hope they've swim past and are hungry. And hopefully all these worms will be doing the dance. These are all J hooks. He'll have it written on his thing. Let's see. 3, oh, they're 1/0s. There you go. Bit bigger than I normally use.
Going for a head on.
So I've just checked my baits, and on that one, which is on the running ledger, it was missing. So I chucked it out and I had a bite straight away. Bill's getting bites, look. That's on mackerel. And I brought in my 3-hook flapper and nothing had touched it. Right, let's see if Bill's got a fish. Yes, he has. What's he got? What's he got there? There it is. It's
A dogfish.
one of his favourite.
One of my favourite fish. Dogfish.
First one of the day. So I was just about to tell you, I've just chucked out Bill's uptiding rod up there, and I was getting a bite on the 3-hook flapper, but yeah, let's have a look. These are the 1/0 hooks, so I have a feeling they're going to be too big. There's no fish on it anyway. Let's just see what bait we got left. No, well, I don't know what bait it went for. Yeah, I didn't say this running ledger. That's a pucker running ledger with no stops on it, whereas that one is a bolt one because it's locked in. Yeah, nothing else to say. So Bill's had that nice bream, and he's had a doggy as well. All I've had is the one bite, even though I didn't see any of the rag missing. We seem to have attracted some other boats. There's another one the other side of the fort. Yeah, ignore that one, that's Jeff, that's Bill's friend. But the other three turned up because they thought we knew what we were doing. Little did they know.
It's a tad quiet.
Right, I had another bite on this rig, the one that's got the 1 hose on, and I've decided to change rigs.
The fall. The tide shouldn't stop running till about 8
So there you
o'clock.
go. This one's got size 4 chinos on.
And there's no tide run at all.
My favourite. So, no matter how small the bite this time, I should get them.
Really light breeze, but we are
I hope it's still on, but I had a fish then, people.
on the upside downsider.
And it feels like it's gone. Oh no, it hasn't. Okay, fish on. Cool. Finally caught a fish today. This feels alright. This does feel alright.
Got a fish on the upside downsider.
I reckon this is going to be a hound, Bill.
Yeah.
I'll let you know in a minute. It's coming here. Oh, it's swimming. It's a hound. Let's give him a bit of play.
Is that hound? Oh yeah.
Have you got the net handy, please?
That'd be a no. I've strategically put the bucket away the net. I'll be with you in about 10 minutes.
Yeah. We've got.
Ah.
Oh, wait, settle down.
You've done that to me on purpose.
Settle, petal. Wow, wow. Dip, dip, dip. Look at that, people. Gone.
Will must have come.
Right, we've moved. So we're now, that is Fort Gilkicker. And we're in 14 metres of water. So that's 14 by 3, about 42 foot. And on this one, I've got a 2-hook flapper with size 4 chinos, and that's one of those bolt rigs. And that's got a size 4. I've got 2 ragworm on that one and 1 rag on each hook.
He's lost a boat in distress.
I've got a bite on this rod.
It's illegal here, Thomas. It's illegal to fish with sand eel, dead or fresh, for bass.
No, that's gone.
£1,000 fine.
I missed that. Let's have a look and see what worms we got left. So I'm getting some small bites on the rod out the back, which is the running ledger bolt one. Well, I was. Bill's just had a little bream as well. Have they stopped?
Right.
I think that was quite a small bream actually, because there's only a small bite. Alright, get back to you when there's something to show you. I didn't know I had a fish. Oh look, so small.
It's an og. It ain't big
Yeah,
enough to be a dog.
it's an ogfish. Cool crikey. That is a pup. That is the smallest dogfish I think I've had. Baby!
Oh, come on, Mr.
Cancel Pan. Casey Jane suffered engine failure between Gilkicker Point and Spitbank Port. She is now being assisted into Premier Gosport Marina by Bembridge Lifeboats. So Coast Guard coordinating, date, time, group 251934 UTC. This is Southern Coast Guard.
So basically, cancel the PAM because they found them.
Yep.
And that'd be that little boat that I said to you, oh look, they're fishing over there. They weren't fishing.
Yeah. They was broke down.
They was busted.
Oh shit.
What now?
You cursed me.
Oh, no, I'm not laughing.
You cursed me.
Oh, fuck me. I told you you'd do that.
Oh.
Oh my God. Best cup of tea of the day and he kicks it over.
You ain't funny.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Deary, deary me. Oh. It's probably only dogfish,
Fish is a fish is a fish.
but I got a bite. Oh, it feels better than the dogfish.
Oh. Try and put me sharp.
Dogfish don't kick like this. It's heavier than a dogfish. I reckon it's a hound. It's still kicking. Should be coming to the surface soon. Yeah. Here it is. And it is a bloody big dogfish. Damn. It's the biggest dogfish I've had for a while.
It's Doggy McDogfish.
Get off.
Well, seems as Basil snuffed it. For a minute.
Well, I'm glad I didn't turn you off. Because as soon as I chucked it back out, I was getting bites. Yep, there we go.
Trouble is, babe, I'm out here to, just looked at the time, it's only 9 o'clock.
Probably another doggy then. I'm not going to say it's not after the last one. Go! It can't be a dogfish, they don't fight this well. Excuse me. It's got to be though. Still, at least we're catching fish here. Yep. It's another big one. Finally. So I was just bringing my rod in because we're moving, and lo and behold, dogfish.